Good morning, friends. My name is Amrita Vani. I am studying in Standard 10th. Today's my topic is Sane Guruji. Sane Guruji Sane was born on 24 December 1899 to Sadashiv Rao and Yashodabai Sane in Palgate village near Dapoli town, Bombay state in British India, in present-day Ratnagiri district of the Konkan region of Maharashtra state. As we know, he was their third child and second son. His father, Sadashiv Rao, was a revenue collector traditionally referred to as a court, who evaluated and collected village crops on behalf of the government and was showed to keep 25% of his collections as his own share. The family was relatively well off during Sane's early childhood, but their financial condition later deteriorated, leading to their house being confiscated by government authorities, unable to face the trauma and hardships. Sane's mother, Yashodabai, died in 1917. His mother's death due to a lack of medical facilities as well as his inability to meet her at her deathbed would haunt Sane Guruji for the rest of his life. And as we know, he was having many thoughts in his mind, but he just told us few of them. I have some great people on the team that keep me grounded. My mum is always with me and they keep me sane, and Ushir has been there. So he knows he helps keep me sane. They were saying always. And some books of him were the Shamchi Ai that was written by Sane Guruji, then Bharatiya Sanskruti, then Sane Guruji's books were many are famous. His some of the thoughts were leadership is produced from the boldness to take a stand, boldness that comes from within. And as we all know, he was always saying by his leadership that become true and positive always. And he was having averagely the time showing Guruji wrote around 135 books and about 73 books have been published, and almost all the books can be considered literature for the children's, and children's can read it. And as we know, Shamchi Ai was a perfect book written by him. Is an autobiography of social activist Pandurang Sadashiv Sane. He was also known as Guruji. It's regarded as one of the greatest tribute to mother's love in Marathi literature. It was just written in Marathi, but afterwards it was also translated in Hindi. As we know, Shamchi Ai is an autobiography by Sane Guruji's Konkan region of rural Maharashtra during British Raj, but he written as he was an adult afterwards, but he was fondly called Sham during his childhood. So it's a narrating his memories to a group of children in a nightly sitting. Means in that chapters in that book, it's named Ratri meaning night. In Marathi, they are named first night, second night, and so on. Every passing five, the story takes you into the family setting in rural Konkan, and it's the beautiful seaside landscapes with adjoining ranges of Sayadri. This book is a representation of the love of the mother for her child. As the title suggests, the central character is Sham's mother and the kind of enormous influence she has on Sham's life and unbringing. It's the love of a mother, and as it's the unbringing love, so it's shown that it involves the sticking to one's ideals, that its upbringing, even though one is neck deep in an object poverty. The narration is flamboyant and involves readers in the setting smoothly, as the story is very positive and narrative way. So it's narrating his memory to a group of children in a nighty setting. So the narration is flamboyant and involves leaders in the setting smoothly. As the story progresses, we come to know the deterioration of Sham's depth reading family. Then the communication between father and son, mother and son, and the siblings is exemplary. Its mother and son and siblings is exemplary, but it shows that if love is present in a person's life, the person can be content no matter how poor he or she is. And the Pandurang Sadasiv Sani's name was Sane Guruji, as he was also known as Sane Guruji, but Guruji meaning is respected teacher. So, and by his students and followers was a Marathi author, teacher, social activist, and freedom fighter from Maharashtra. So, as we know, all of you, we are very great and positive thought, and we are very lucky to have such a great thought person in our Maharashtra born. But as you know, we should take some positive thoughts and positive points from the good peoples which came in our life and which are totally activisting for us, and they are giving such a beautiful example to us that we should be example to the whole world. As he wrote the book Sane Guruji, as he wrote the book of Shamchi Ai, he was said as Sham when he was a little boy. His mother was totally controlling him, but he was saying, and the one word is given in that book, that a mother, how she controls and feed her child. And as you know that if someone's mother is not there, how do we feel? But whenever he was not having his mother after some years, but he thought of writing something new, and he thought that if I will write this, then my mother will get grateful, and beautiful thoughts he wrote in that book. And one such example it's given in that book, I also wrote read that. So it's given in that his mother was telling him that in Marathi it said that bar to अंघोळ कर, means she was saying that you take a bath, but he was saying, mother, I will take a bath, but you have to promise me that when I will bath, you have to give your saris pallu to me to totally means clean my legs and my socks, everything. You will give your saris pallu to clean it. So she said that yes child, I will do it for you. No one is more than you to me. So she was truly a grateful mother. So he wrote that thoughts also in that book, and he was saying that near the seashore he was sharing his all the thoughts to his friends, that whatever he has done for his mother, and his mother, father, everyone gave him such a love and great love. His aunt-in-law also gave him such a beautiful love that as he was not having mother, but he didn't felt alone afterwards also. Thank you.